This is the complete guide to Zapier AI, the automation platform that connects artificial intelligence to over 7,000 apps with no code required. By the end of this video, you will know every Zapier AI feature and what it does, how to build AI agents that act across your tools automatically, how AI by Zapier connects any large language model to any workflow, how Zapier Chatbots give your AI access to real business data, how Zapier compares to Make, N8N, and Microsoft Power Automate, every pricing plan, and the real automations professionals are running with Zapier AI right now. Let us get into it. Zapier is an automation platform founded in 2011 by Wade Foster, Brian Helmig, and Mike Knoop. It is used by 2.2 million businesses globally, from solo operators running one-person businesses to enterprise teams at companies like HubSpot, Dropbox, and Shopify. The foundation of Zapier is its integration library, over 7,000 apps connected natively, the largest integration library of any automation platform on the market. Zapier AI builds on top of that library with 4 new capability layers. Agents, autonomous AI that reasons about a goal and takes actions across your connected apps without step-by-step instruction. AI by Zapier, a Zap action that lets you call Claude, GPT-4, or Gemini inside any workflow to summarize, classify, extract, or generate content. Zapier Chatbots, no-code AI assistants connected to your live tools so the AI answers questions using your actual business data. And Canvas, a visual AI workflow builder where you describe what you want and the AI maps out the automation. Let me walk through every Zapier AI feature. Zapier Agents, autonomous AI that takes a described goal and acts across your connected apps to achieve it, making decisions and triggering actions without step-by-step instruction. AI by Zapier, a native Zap action that calls any major language model, Claude, GPT-4, or Gemini, to process data inside your workflow. You use it to summarize email threads, classify support tickets, extract structured data from unstructured text, or generate content automatically. Zapier Chatbots, build AI assistants connected to your tools with no code. The chatbot accesses your Google Sheets, Notion, or CRM data in real time rather than making things up from training data. Canvas, describe an automation in plain English and the AI maps the workflow visually. The Zap Builder generates the actual Zap structure from your description. Interfaces lets you build no-code apps and dashboards powered by AI in Zapier data. Tables gives you a native no-code database that powers your workflows with live data. An AI formatter transforms data inside any Zap using AI instead of formulas. Zapier Agents are the most significant AI feature Zapier has released. Unlike a standard Zap where you define every step in advance, an agent takes a described goal and figures out the steps itself. You tell the agent what you want to accomplish, give it access to the tools it needs, and it decides what actions to take and in what order. Agents can take multiple actions across multiple apps in a single run. You give the agent tool access, your Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, or CRM, and it uses those tools to work toward the goal. Agents have memory, so they can reference past conversations and previous actions. They can be triggered by an incoming email, a Slack message, a schedule, or a webhook. For high-stakes decisions, you can configure a human handoff, where the agent pauses and asks for your approval before proceeding. Every action the agent takes is logged so you can review what happened. And the entire setup, build, configure, deploy, is done in the Zapier UI with no code. Here is how to get started with Zapier AI from scratch. Step 1. Go to Zapier.com and create a free account. Google or email login. 100 tasks per month, no card required. Step 2. Connect your first apps. Click Connect and authorize Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, or whichever tools your workflow needs. Zapier stores the connection securely and reuses it across all your Zaps. Step 3. Explore the template library. Thousands of pre-built Zaps cover the most common automation workflows. Search by app name or workflow type to find a starting point. Step 4. Use the AI Zap Builder. Type what you want to automate in plain English and the AI generates the Zap structure for you. Step 5. Review the generated Zap, configure any missing fields, check the trigger and action settings, and test each step individually. Step 6. Add an AI by Zapier action if you want a language model to process or generate content as part of the workflow. Choose your model, write your prompt, and map the output to the next step. Step 7. Turn the Zap on and check task history after the first run to confirm every step worked as expected. Here is how to build a practical AI Zap from start to finish. Step 1. Define your trigger. For this example, the trigger is a new email arriving in Gmail with a specific label. Step 2. Add AI by Zapier as the first action after the trigger. Select AI by Zapier from the action list and choose your model, GPT-4 or Claude. Step 3. Write your prompt. Reference the trigger data using Zapier field variables. For example, summarize this email and extract any action items, then insert the email body field as a variable. Step 4. Map the AI output to the next action. The response from the language model becomes a variable you can use in every subsequent step of the Zap. Step 5. Add the delivery action. Send the AI summary to a Slack channel, create a Notion note, or add a task in your project management tool. Step 6. Test the full Zap end-to-end using a real trigger event. Check the output at every step and confirm the AI response quality. Step 7. Turn the Zap on and monitor the first 5 runs in task history. Refine the prompt if the AI output is not structured the way you need. AI by Zapier is the single action that upgrades every workflow you already have. It calls any major language model inside a Zap to process, transform, or generate text as part of the automation. Summarize, take a long email thread, a support ticket, or a meeting transcript and condense it automatically. The summary then routes to Slack, Notion, or your CRM in the same Zap with no manual work. Classify, label incoming support tickets as billing, technical, or general. Label leads by industry or intent. Then route each label to a different downstream action automatically. Extract, pull structured data from unstructured text without writing regex. Name, company, and budget from a contact form response goes straight into the right CRM fields. The most important practical tip: always include output format instructions in your prompt. Tell the AI to respond in JSON or as a numbered list so downstream Zap steps can parse the response reliably without breaking when the AI changes its phrasing. Zapier Chatbots let you build AI assistants with no code that are connected to your actual business data. The setup is entirely in the Zapier UI. You choose your underlying model, GPT-4 or Claude, write a system prompt that defines the chatbot's behavior and tone, and connect it to the tools it needs access to: Google Sheets, Notion, Airtable, your CRM, or any other connected app. When someone asks the chatbot a question, it pulls the answer from your live data rather than generating something from training. The chatbot embeds on any website with a single script tag, or you share a direct chat link with your team or customers. You can also configure the chatbot to trigger Zaps from within the conversation. A user asks the chatbot to create a support ticket, and the chatbot runs the Zap that creates it, entirely automatically. Common use cases include internal knowledge bases for teams, customer support bots that answer from your actual documentation, and lead qualification bots that ask the right questions and log responses to your CRM. Here is who is actually using Zapier AI and what they are automating. Sales teams use Zapier AI to enrich new leads automatically, update CRM records when deals move stages, and send personalized follow-up emails triggered by specific events. Marketing teams repurpose content across channels, trigger campaign sequences based on user behavior, and automate weekly reporting. Operations teams process incoming invoices, eliminate manual data entry between systems, and route approval requests to the right person automatically. Customer success teams classify support tickets by issue type, trigger onboarding sequences when a new customer signs up, and escalate high-priority issues without manual review. Solopreneurs are running their entire business backend with Zapier AI, from lead capture to invoicing, with no developer and no code. Recruiting teams parse incoming applications, score candidates against criteria, and schedule interviews automatically. Finance teams classify expenses, generate reports, and trigger alerts when spending crosses a threshold. And product teams collect user feedback, tag by theme, and route feature requests to the right product owner. Who is Zapier AI built for? Sales and revenue operations teams are the highest value users. They use Zapier AI to automate lead enrichment, CRM updates, and follow-up sequences, eliminating manual work from the sales workflow. Marketing teams build content repurposing pipelines and campaign automation that runs on its own. Operations managers use Zapier to connect systems that do not talk to each other and eliminate the manual data entry that lives between them. Customer success teams automate ticket classification, onboarding sequences, and escalation workflows. Solopreneurs and founders are some of the most creative Zapier AI users, automating entire business backends without a developer or IT team. Recruiting teams automate the application pipeline from intake to scheduling. And product managers use Zapier to collect, tag, and route feedback so the right person sees the right insight without a manual triage process. Here is what professionals are actually running with Zapier AI right now. A new lead submits a type form. AI enriches the data, scores the lead against ideal customer criteria, and routes it to the right sales rep within 30 seconds of submission. A support ticket arrives. AI classifies it by issue type, adds the correct tags, and routes it to the right team instantly, no human triage needed. A meeting ends in Zoom. AI summarizes the transcript, extracts action items, and creates tasks in Notion automatically before anyone leaves the call. A new subscriber joins an email list. AI personalizes the welcome email based on how they signed up and sends it via MailChimp, no manual segmentation required. An invoice arrives by email. AI extracts the line items and logs them to Google Sheets for review. A blog post is published. AI repurposes it into 5 platform-specific social posts and queues them in Buffer. A GitHub issue is opened. AI reads the description, creates a Jira ticket with the correct priority and label. A sales call is recorded. AI generates the CRM notes and drafts the follow-up email with zero manual input. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Make.com, Zapier has more app integrations in native AI agents. Make has a deeper visual flow builder that developers and power users prefer. Versus N8N, Zapier is fully hosted with no setup and has native AI built in. N8N is open source, self-hosted, and gives you unlimited executions at your own infrastructure cost. Versus Microsoft Power Automate, Zapier is platform agnostic across all your tools. Power Automate is more deeply integrated inside Microsoft 365 and Teams. Versus Activepieces, Zapier has a larger app library and more mature AI agent capabilities. Activepieces is open source and self-hostable for teams that need infrastructure control. Versus WorkAuto, Zapier has a free tier and a lower learning curve for non-technical users. WorkAuto has enterprise-grade connectors and compliance features for large organizations. Versus Pipedream, Zapier has no-code AI agents that non-developers can use immediately. Pipedream gives developers full code control and more flexibility at the execution level. The honest summary, Zapier AI is the best choice for no-code AI automation across the broadest possible range of apps. For developer control, self-hosting, or deep Microsoft integration, other tools lead. 8 tips that make Zapier AI automation significantly more reliable. 1. Format your prompt output. Tell the AI to respond in JSON or a numbered list so downstream steps can parse the response every time without breaking. 2. Test every step individually before turning the Zap on. One incorrect field mapping breaks the entire workflow silently and you will not notice until tasks have failed. 3. Use filter steps before the AI action. AI by Zapier uses a task for every run. Add a filter so only relevant triggers reach the AI step and you avoid paying for runs that should not have happened. 4. Log AI outputs to Zapier tables or Google Sheets. Build a review log so you can audit what the AI classified or generated and catch drift in output quality before it causes a problem. 5. Configure error notifications to email or Slack. You will not know a Zap broke unless you are notified. 6. Chunk long text before passing it to the AI. AI by Zapier has a token limit per run. Split long documents or email threads into smaller sections. 7. Name your Zaps using the app, trigger, action convention so you can find and debug them quickly as your Zap library grows. 8. Review task history weekly for failed runs and refine prompts accordingly. Zapier AI pricing. The free plan gives you 100 tasks per month and up to 5 active Zaps. Basic AI features are included on the free tier, enough to test the workflow. Professional is $19.99 per month. 750 tasks, unlimited Zaps, and access to premium AI features including full AI by Zapier and Zapier Agents. This is the right plan for any individual using Zapier seriously for work. Team is $69 per month. 2,000 tasks, unlimited Zaps, a shared team workspace, and admin tools for managing multiple users. The right plan for small teams automating across departments. Enterprise is custom priced. Unlimited tasks, single sign-on, advanced admin controls, a dedicated support contact, and a service level agreement. My recommendation: start free to learn the platform. Move to professional when you hit the 5 Zap limit or need AI agents. Upgrade to team when more than one person needs shared access to workflows. Here is everything you need. Start at Zapier.com, a free account, 100 tasks per month, no card required. Upgrade to professional at $19.99 when you need unlimited Zaps and full AI agent access. Both plans available at Zapier.com/pricing. Explore every Zapier AI capability at Zapier.com/AI. If you want a visual automation builder with a different interface, Make.com is worth comparing. Link in the description. All links are below. If this guide helped you understand what Zapier AI can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. Now go build something that runs while you sleep. See you in the next one.